The Google Pixel 10a has officially landed, and it is redefining what a budget phone can actually do. Make sure to hit that subscribe button right now so you can stay ahead of the curve on all the latest tech releases. I'll be honest, I expected Google to cut corners with the Pixel 10a, but they've done the exact opposite. By packing the Tensor G4 chip into this chassis, they've given a mid-range device the same AI brains as the flagship Pro models. Everything from Gemini Live to real-time translation feels snappy and seamless. The most noticeable change is the design. Google has moved to a more refined, satin finish back that resists fingerprints way better than previous years. And while it's a smaller device, the 6.1-inch display now features thinner bezels, giving you more screen real estate without making the phone feel bulky in your pocket. But the real magic is in the software. You're getting the full suite of AI photo editing tools, including the new Magic Editor features that used to be exclusive to the high-end models. When you factor in the IP67 water resistance and the promise of 7 years of security updates, the Pixel 10a is just a cheap alternative. It's a long-term investment. Google has proven that you don't need to break the bank to get a premium Android experience. This might just be the most practical phone of the year. What are your thoughts on the new design and specs? Is the Pixel 10a the best value phone on the market right now? Share your thoughts in the comments.